Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today we are going to present problem-based task 2 that given by Puan Nur Haslinda binti Abdul Karim. Before we start, I'm going to introduce myself and my groupmate. My name is now Atira binti Saiman and my registration number are 01DDT20F2022. Along with me, we have Hani Syafiqah binti Bibit with registration number 01DDT20F2021 and Farusha Laili binti Muhammad Fazil with registration number 01DDT20F2028. So here are the three objectives for this problem-based task 2. Number 1 is describe Android and iOS mobile operating system. Number 2, identifying home screen items by managing applications, widgets, and folders. Number 3, suggestion for the best mobile operating system. Alright everyone, let me explain the problem that faced by Aryani. Aryani wants to find a mobile phone that will be used specially for her hijab online business. Aryani acquired information on mobile phone operating system for smartphone and she is unable to decide the best mobile operating system environment. So, Aryani decide to meet the sales manager kedai telefon saya sendirian Berhad to get information on her problems. Due to that, sales manager decide to develop an animation or video for Android and iOS environment based on item below to help Aryani decide which environment of mobile operating system she would like to prefer and use for her online business. Alright guys, let's move on to our first objective, which is describe Android and iOS mobile operating system. I'm going to describe Android mobile operating system first. Android is a mobile operating system based on modified version of the Linux kernel and other open software. It is free and open source software and its source code is known as Android Open Software Project AOSP, which is permitted under Aperture license. Most of the Android devices ship with additional proprietary software that pre-installed, and Google mobile services are the most remarkable on Android devices, include core apps such as Google Chrome and Google Play. Second is to describe iOS mobile operating system. iOS is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. solely for its hardware. It is the second world most widely installed mobile operating system after Android. The source for three operating systems made by Apple Inc., which is iPadOS, tvOS, and watchOS. It is proprietary software, but some parts of it are open source under the Apple Public Source License and other authorizations.
Hi, my name is Hani Syafiqah and I'm going to present the second question, which is identify home screen for iOS. So, place apps and widgets on iOS home screen. First, touch and hold empty area on the home screen until the app icon jiggle. Second, tap the plus sign at the upper left corner here and it will show few recommended widgets. Third, tap to select which widget you want to add. For example, I choose weather. And then it will show three sets of widget and you have to swipe through to select a set of widget and then tap add widget to add it to your home screen. Then tap done. Now the widget already add on the iOS home screen. Next is move apps and widgets between different home screen. First, touch and hold any app on the home screen until it jiggles. Second, drag the app to the different home screen. It will take a few seconds until the new home screen will appear. Third, release the app and tap done. After that, create folders to which apps will be added on the iOS home screen. First, touch and hold any app on the home screen and drag into another app. Second, release the app in the folder. You can also add any additional apps in the folder. After that, tap Done. If you want to rename the folder, you can tap the name field and enter the new name of the folder. Remove app from folder on iOS home screen. First, open the folder. Second, touch and hold the app and drag out the app from the folder. Third, release the app at home screen and then tap Done. Now, the app's no longer in the folder. The last one is uninstall apps from iOS. First, touch and hold empty area on the home screen until the app icon jiggle. Second, tap minus sign in the upper left hand corner of the app and click delete app. Third, tap delete to completely remove the app.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Faisha Laili. Today I want to present about how to place apps and widgets on Android home screen. First, touch and long press your home screen. Next, your screen going to change like this and tap on your widget. Next, choose and hold one widget to put at the home screen. Lastly, drag out the widget to your home screen and it's done. Now, how to move apps and widgets between different home screens. Step 1. Open your home screen. Step 2. Touch and hold your application, then tap Add to Home. Step 3. The application already at the different home screen. How to create folder on Android home screen. First, go to your home screen, then same place with the apps that you want to put in a folder. Then, long press one application and drag it right on top of the another application. After that, continue to drag the another application on the folder. Last, your folder is already created and all applications are inside the folder. How to remove application from the folder. Step 1. Open the folder that you create. Step 2. Pick one app that you want to remove. Step 3. Drag out the application from the folder. And lastly, you are going to see the application outside the folder.
Thank you Farisha Laili for your explanations. Now it's my turn to show you the step how to uninstall apps with using Android operating system. First, you need to open a folder that have an apps that you want to uninstall. Second, select and long press an apps until you see a pop-up like this. Then, tap on uninstall icon. 4. A confirmation box will appear and proceed by tap on uninstall button. And lastly, the apps delete successfully. Everyone, now it's time for our last objective, which is suggestion for the best mobile operating system. In our opinion, we would like to recommend Ariani to choose Android operating system, and here are some reasons for the recommendations. Number 1, open source software. It allows developer or manufacturer to make changes in the operating system to work in very specific industries such as business that Ariani work on. Number 2, affordable development. It can easily build apps on our own and we don't need to pay big fees for development fees. It is free of charge and no limit to make more than one apps. And lastly is customizable UI. Flexible and customizable UI created by Google and offer updates or shortcuts to a variety of services such as email and calendar. Alright everyone, that's all from us. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.